Hey everyone, today I am talking about Google Ads headline. So which type of headline you select for your client as if you can get more CTR, more conversion, more lead. You already know our in Google responses search and you need 15 headlines. So what is the structure of 15 headline? Which type of headline I use for my client? Okay, so you already know our headline must be within 30 characters, right? Okay, and most people write headlines like best cleaning service, affordable cleaning service. This type of so generic, so boring, so this type is not working. Okay, it's as like it sounds like every other agency. So this is not you. You always must use unique thing as like emotional thing, emotional triggers. Okay, that's attract the customer. So what is the formula for high CTR headlines? So first formula, for first headline, use the keyword exactly, use your mother keyword. Suppose when you open your landing page, you see in your landing page H1 tag, suppose as like emergency dentist London. So it's your H1 tag in your keywords. It's your mother keyword, it's include your keyword, and it's must be include your headline. So if someone searches emergency dentist London, your headline 1 should say emergency dentist London. Always include this. And headline 2, state your biggest benefit or differentiator. I suppose as like same day appointment available, no insurance required, from $49 fixed price. This type of headlines to help to get more CTR. Okay, and headline 3 must be included as like at urgency or social proof. So what is the urgency type headline? As like emergency cleaning service, as like 24/7 emergency cleaning service, or as like 30 minutes arrival. This type of headline as like emergency type. Social proof. So which type of headline is social proof? As like 500 5-star review, trusted by 2000 homeowners, or trusted by 500 patients. This type of headline is social proof type headline. So always must include this type of headline. And also offer type as like book before Friday, save 20%, or order this 3 combo and save 15%. For new customer, save 10%. Okay, this type of just which type of headline, which type of ad copy attract the people, this type use. So now I tell you some forwards that increase CTR. So the forwards are free, as like free consultation, free advice, okay, and free service as like different type of as like. So forwards that increase CTR. So instant as like emergency type. You already you just must be mentioned this type of emergency or instant type some headline, and also guaranteed. People always give service, take service from this type of people which which people guaranteed them. Okay, so always must be guaranteed sometimes. And certified license official, this type of trust and proof type headline. Okay, and also official, trusted, fast, same day, 24/7. So in here, guaranteed, certified, license, official, trusted. This type of headline is like it's like trust and proof type headline. And same day, 24/7, fast, it's as like emergency type headline. So what is the structure of 15 headline? Which type of structure I follow? Firstly, I use 4 or 5 headline as like keyword type, just mother keyword type, main service type, 4 or 5 headline. You note this. Okay, and 2 headline as like DKI type, dynamic keyword insertion. Suppose in ad group we use 20 or 25 keyword, right? So for ad relevancy, for good result, we cannot use all keyword in headline. So what can I do? We use DKI, dynamic keyword insertion, and it's cover all keyword. By 2 headline, by 2 DKI headline, I cover all keyword. Okay, that's why always used to dynamic keyword insertion. And also trust and proof type 5 headlines, and also offer type if you in your client landing page, if given any offer, must be include this headline. And also number type 3 or 4 headline, and CTA, call to action type headline 2. And also sometimes I use 1 or 2 headline as like benefit and feature types, and also emergency type 1 or 2 headline. Okay, so this is the structure of pre-screen headline. I review again 5 headlines, 3 to 4 headlines as like keyword type, and DKA type 2 headline, and also trust and proof type 5 headline, number types 2 or 1 or 2 3 line, benefit and feature type 1 or 2 headline, emergency and urgency type 1 or 2 headline, CTA type 2 headline, and also offer type 1 or 2 headline. So this is a structure of Google headline structure, and you must follow it, and you get good result. Okay.